ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सच्चिदानंदरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। प्रह्लादनारद पराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासाम्बरीश सुख सौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्याम् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् एतानहं परमभागवतान् नमामि। एतानहं परमभागवतान् नमामि। अथातो भक्तिं व्याख्यास्यामः सा त्वस्मिन् परमप्रेमरूपा अमृतस्वरूपा च यल्लब्ध्वा पुमान् सिद्धो भवति अमृतो भवति तृप्तो भवति यत्प्राप्य न किंचिद्वांछति न शोचति न द्वेष्टि न रमते नोत्साही भवति। Up to here we saw. So in the previous sutra, yat prapya na kinchid vanchati. It desires nothing. Okay? Na shochati. Gurudev, yat prapya na kinchid vanchati. She said, having attained which he cares for nothing. Not it desires for nothing. Because when you care for something, then desire comes. Don't care for anything, then don't desire. So he says, he cares for nothing. Okay. Na shochati, neither grieves, na dveshti, no hatred, na ramate, never delights in anything, na utsahi bhavati. He is not inspired, enthusiasm, etc. in laukika vyapar, in worldly affairs. Okay. Now yad jnatva matto bhavati stabdho bhavati आत्मारामो भवति यज्ञात्वा मत्तो भवति स्तब्धो भवति आत्मारामो भवति। यज्ञात्वा मत्तः भवति. Mattah means what? Intoxicated. Intoxicated. मीराबाई कहती है, मीराबाई ने बनमूर महात्मा, यस, वे कहते हैं, one who can love the Lord residing in the heart, he alone will remain happy. The one who loves the Lord residing in the heart, he alone remains हैप्पी, वही सुखी हो सकता है, सुखी होता है. So therefore first thing for matta means intoxication. Intoxication is possible only when you are very close to the intoxicating object. Think. Any padartha you take, intoxicating experience, intoxicating any experience through any sense organ, unless you are close to it, you are not intoxicated. Is it not? Understood? Here, matta bhavati means what? He is intoxicated. By whom? By the presence of the Lord. Where? In his heart. That means what? One who never feels that Lord is away from me, and one who always feels the proximity of the Lord, he alone is intoxicated. लौकिक उदाहरण, दारू देखने से मत हो जाता है क्या? नशा चढ़ता है क्या? पीने से चढ़ता है. देखो. And here, therefore, and when in the case of bhakta, what happens is, he always feels the proximity of the Lord, and whenever he feels the Lord is playing hide and seek, like गोपियों के साथ भगवान कृष्ण ने खेला है कि नहीं, hide and seek. And that time, because of his intensity of love, intense love के कारण, he gets intoxicated. Because in that intense love, he feels the proximity of the Lord. It's a very beautiful thing. So, mattaha bhavati. Now, a udharana is Prahlada. Take Prahlad ji's story. Bhagavad में श्लोक भी आया है. I am not quoting the shloka in Saptama Kanda, seventh canto. So he says, in that Bhagavan, Prahlad ji, first of all, in the young age, he left all the toys and dolls, everything he chhod diya. Because he is not finding any interest in playing with the toys. Why? Nirantara Ashtakshari Mahamantra Japa. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And one thing. And as if he was swallowed, भागवत में आया है, ये सभी पदार्थों को छोड़ दिया बचपन में ही. And as if he was swallowed by Krishna Graha, he becomes mattaha. He becomes mattaha as is swallowed by Krishna Graha. And it is said in Bhagavad, he never used to see the world as we see. We are seeing only these names and forms, Jadavastu Padartha, but he is seeing only the all-pervading reality. Sarvatra Vishnu Tattvam Vyaptam Bhavati. Everywhere that Vishnu Tattva is there, all-pervading. Therefore, he never used to see the world. And while eating, drinking, sitting, talking, etc., he used to be not conscious of those activities. खा रहा है, पी रहा है, बात कर रहे हैं, बट भान नहीं होता था उनको, प्रहलाद जी को. Why? मत्तः भवति. He was intoxicated. And one more thing. Because of sometimes, Prahlad ji, suddenly sometimes used to feel the Lord is away from him and he used to cry. And sometimes he used to feel oneness with the Lord, and he used to smile and laugh and giggle. Sometimes he sings the glories of the Lord. Sometimes he dances. where he is, in which, in front of whom, he never bothers. Suddenly he dances. So these activities of life of a bhakta, when you read, he is always intoxicated by the nectarine of devotion to the Lord. So yad jnatva mattah bhavati, unless a devotee experiences what is we know our intoxication of money. We get intoxicated during bonus period. साल में जब एक बार बोनस आता है ना, you ask those people, they live in there intoxicated with that money. पता नहीं क्या करना है, रात भर सपने देखते रहते हैं कि कहाँ खर्च करना है, क्या करना है. मत्तः भवति. Or you have a beautiful house where everybody is stopping on the road and looking at your house and going, you become intoxicated. But that intoxication is only worldly matters. It is only neeras, aaj rahega, kal jayega. But here, yat jnatva mattah bhavati. Very beautiful state. Therefore, here Bhagavan कहते हैं, नारद जी, यद ज्ञात्वा मत्तो भवति, then स्तब्धः भवति. स्तब्धः भवति. Devotees get some experiences where they experience this स्तब्धता, silence. एक महात्मा जी बताते हैं कि when he got twice or thrice experiences of this, he became total stabdha. He was seeing something in front of him, beautiful form, but he wanted to lift his hands and put namaskar, he could not do. He wanted to get up, he could not get up. He wanted to turn his head, he could not turn. He became totally silent within, and all the indriyas became silent. The body stopped movement, but he is just watching and seeing. Not even winking was possible for him. In that trance state. Trance again is not somewhere you lost this consciousness, state of consciousness, entered into other plane. No. Here you are in trance, very much you are aware, but sabdatha is sabdhaha, silence, stoic silence, extremely silent you become inside. When there is no vibration in the mind, no movement in the indriyas, no movement in the body, and you are fully alert, mind is not in sleeping mode, you are alert but no activity. That kind of state is stabdhata. तो भगवान कहते हैं यार नारद जी, स्तब्धः भवति, मत्तः भवति, स्तब्धः भवति. इसलिए कहते हैं दिस प्रेम मार्ग, सुख चाहने वालों को प्रेम मार्ग नहीं हो सकती. जो सुख चाहते हैं उनके लिए प्रेम मार्ग नहीं हो सकती. फिर कौन सा मार्ग हो सकता है? प्रेम मार्ग के जो दुख चाहने वाले हैं उनके मन में ही प्रेम भरा रहेगा. कैसे दुख? वियोग का दुख भी होता है, क्योंकि परमात्मा का साधना अवस्था में सुख से जो दुख से सुख से अधिक दुख से जो प्यार कर सकते हैं उसी को ये भगवत भक्ति लब्धि है. हम सुख ही चाहते हैं, दुख नहीं चाहते हैं. Therefore, their वियोग मत्तः भवति स्तब्धः भवति. In मत्तः भवति वियोग is there. When वियोग भाव में they become so intoxicated with the love of divine and their intensity increases. We also experience viyoga, but our viyoga is only for few days, few time, few hours, few seconds. Viyoga from wife, viyoga from husband, viyoga from children, viyoga from dhana daulat. Separation. That's a pain of separation is only for some time for us. But here, very beautiful things. So therefore, here it is said, saptaha bhavati, mattaha bhavati. And atma ramo bhavati. Atma ramo bhavati. And moreover, in the case of devotees, they, in their dhyana, contemplation, utprekshaye, Utprekshas means all the leelas of the Lord, many are visualized by saints and sages. Examples, anecdotes. ऐसा हुआ होगा वृंदावन में भगवान कृष्ण के साथ out of love, and they composed all the Utprekshas. They may not have happened certain things perfectly, but bhaktas saw them in their dhyan. एक महात्मा जी लिखते हैं, एक भक्त ध्यान करते 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 मत्तः भवति आत्मारामो भवति. कैसे आत्मारामो भवति? ही सीज भगवान कृष्ण, एंड ये ध्यान करते कल्पना करते करते मन में एक दृश्य उनके सामने आ गया है. क्या दृश्य देखते हैं? देखिए, एक भगवान, छोटा सा भगवान से कृष्ण एक घर में घुसना चाहते थे कुछ माखन चोर करने के लिए. तो देन द mother-in-law, son and daughter-in-law, both three are there at home. And daughter-in-law saw Krishna, Gopi saw Krishna entering the house. वो चुप हो गए because she loves, चुप हो गए. But mother-in-law, he doesn't like all children doing all nonsense in the kitchen, माखन चोर करना and all. So Bhagavan Krishna was hiding, it seems, in the house only, small Krishna. Gopi saw and signaled him that wait, when mother-in-law goes inside the bedroom, I will give you माखन. चुप रहो, कोने पे छुपा के रहो, बैठ चुप हो बैठो. Bhagavan Krishna was hiding, it seems. You are seeing Drishya, all the leelas. Then what happened? When mother-in-law was cooking food, चौंक लगा रही थी, it seems. वो चौंक के कारण भगवान कृष्ण को खांसी आई, पुछिंग करके. Then that mother-in-law came to know कोई छुपा हुआ है चोर, वो डंडा लेके पीछे दौड़ने लगी. भगवान कृष्ण घर से बाहर, चलो, भागे 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 एंड भागते भगवान अपने आप को बचाने के लिए पूरा कुछ केवल क्या बोलते लंगोटी पहना हो भगवान कृष्ण दौड़ रहे थे. इस दृश्य को देख करके ये भक्त तृप्ति पा रहे हैं, मत्तः भवति. और एक महात्मा जी को अपने उदाहरण लेक्चर में दिए थे, मैंने आपको सुनाया था अभी एक. तो कृष्ण अकेला थे घर पे, भगवान कृष्ण, एंड बलराम जी वेंट आउट बिकॉज he did not, Krishna bunked his duty of cattle that day. He applied casual leave. He said, I will not go with the brother, I will be at home. Yashoda Maya said, it's ठीक है, घर पे रह जाओ. Then he was staying at home, and he saw mother fresh माखन दही अच्छा एक कलश में रखकर अलमीरा में रखी. ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू कैच इट बिकॉज छोटा है ना कृष्णा. देख के माँ से पूछा वो क्या रखा ऊपर. दैट इज माखन, बटर. कृष्ण सेड, किसके लिए रखा है? मदर सेड, नो भैया आने दो, तुम दोनों को खिला देती हो. बलराम जी एंड तुम तो यू डिड नॉट गो टुडे स्कूल, यू आर एट होम, सो लेट भैया कम, दोनों को खिलाती हूँ. भगवान कृष्ण आस्क्ड, भैया कब आएगा? तो चीटेल शाम को आ जाएगा. कृष्ण, शाम का मतलब क्या होता है? कब आएगा? जब अंधेरा होता है. देन कृष्ण आस्क्ड, अंधेरा क्या होता है? अंधेरा क्या होता है माने कुछ दिखता नहीं. भगवान कृष्ण दोनों आंख बंद कर दिए, बोले अभी अंधेरा है, खिलाओ. अभी अंधेरा हो गया, खिलाओ. अरे अंधेरा है, अब रात हो गई, खिलाओ. भैया और भी लेट आएगा, पहले मुझे खिलाओ. सी दैट दिस इज कॉल्ड उत्प्रेक्षास. some devotees experiences. So these bhaktas yad jnatva, that bhakti is so much so that they revel in these leelas. One great person told me, he is a great devotee of a great Mahatma, Grihastha only. So he was told me long back, 25-30 years back he told me. He said, what to do? Morning I want to get up for morning my prayer and all. But आज सवेरे सवेरे I was watching Rasa Leela in front of me. I did not feel like getting up from the bed, watching the Rasa Leela, he said. He is no more now. I am only watching Rasa Leela. देखिए, एंड ही बिकेम मत्तः भवति. उठाने पलंग से, उस दिन प्रेयर नहीं किया. ही वॉज टेलिंग, कुछ भी नहीं किया आज मैं, देखता रहा देखता रहा देखता रहा. After a long time, when it disappeared, then only I could get up slowly, because intoxicated by the दृश्य and the Rasa Leela अनुभव. सो भक्त के चित्त में ये सब आ जाते हैं. हमारे चित्त में क्या क्या आते हैं पता नहीं, पिज्ज़ा आ सकते हैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या आता है. एक्सेप्ट भगवान एवरीथिंग विल कम. ये मत्तः भवति एंड आत्मा रामो भवति. देखिए, भगवान एंड भक्तः आत्मा, नॉट विषयारामा. विषयारामा मीन्स वन हू रेवेल्स इन द सेंसेस. हियर भक्ता इज आत्मा रामो भवति, and he always revels because he discovered the presence of Paramatma in him, and he is always sporting with him inside and always happy with him. आत्मा रामो भवति. एंड सच्चे भक्त के लिए भगवान कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. लीलाएं आप पढ़िए, भक्त के कथा, भक्त लोगों की कहानियां पढ़िए आप. See, भीष्माचार्य एंड भगवान कृष्ण टोल्ड, शपथ लिया कि मैं आई विल नॉट होल्ड एनी वेपन इन महाभारत. बट भीष्माचार्य का संकल्प क्या है, इनसे देखना चाहता हूँ ये कैसा अपना. तो उनके भक्त के लिए भगवान कृष्ण हेल्ड वेपन इन महाभारत वार. भक्त पराधीन. सो देयरफॉर हियर वेरी ब्यूटिफुली मत्तः भवति, स्तब्धः भवति, आत्मारामो भवति. Very wonderful. With this we have completed the first section of first chapter. अभी तक this is called अनुरोधी Lakshanam. Anurodhi Lakshanam means what are all the qualities that manifest in a devotee because of his devotion towards the Lord. In the devotion, what it contains, what are all things are seen in devotion so far mentioned. Is it not amruto bhavati, trupto bhavati, stabdo bhavati, yaladva na kinchit vanchati, ityadi ityadi ityadi, na shochati, na kankshati, na ramate, na utsahi bhavati. All the sutras we have seen. These are all the manifestations of the qualities of. Now, Nirodhikaranam. Nirodhikaranam means what are the things not present in a devotee. What are the things not present in a devotee? So what are those things that do not occur in devotion? These things are told. ओडिया बाबा जी कहते हैं कि the difference between prema and kama, अंतर, प्रेम और काम के बीच में अंतर बाल के समान. इट सीम्स, एक बाल के समान, माने फर्क ज़्यादा नहीं है. मगर काम विल टेक यू टुवर्ड्स नरक, प्रेम विल टेक यू टुवर्ड्स भक्ति लॉर्ड, बट फर्क बहुत कम है. Therefore, here very important is that how to recognize what is devotion and what is kama. this is tough. So therefore, in Nirodhikaranam, we will begin this subject now. What is this now? We will see. Sa na kamayamana nirodha rupatvat. Sa na kamayamana nirodha rupatvat. First difference between kama, the main difference between path of love and path of kama, desire. In path of love, you want to make the beloved happy. In path of kama or desire, one wants to make himself or herself happy. That's the difference. काम में क्या है? खुद का खुश, शांति, सुख देखना चाहते हैं. I love you. Why? Because I will be happy. Why are you devoted to Lord? Because from God I can get everything. Think. Why do you love this? Because I get kirti. So center, the locus is I. In desire. Path of desire. Path of kama. In path of prema, how I must make my beloved happy. That is the focus. If this is understood in marriage also, divorces won't take place. What is marriage now? How I can make myself happy because of my spouse. That is the basic foundation of thinking. Think. और गुरु चेला, कच्चा गुरु कच्चा चेला, दोनों एक दूसरों से अपेक्षा रखते हैं. When you expect something from Guru, not for the sake of Guru you are working, dangerous. एक कहानी आती है, तुलसीदास जी 80 घाट पर बैठ के कुछ जप नाम ले रहे, एक चोर घुस गए उनके घर में. तो चोर से बचाने के लिए ये सारी सामग्री जो भी है उसकी रक्षा के लिए भगवान राम और लक्ष्मण जी घर की रक्षा करते थे, है ना. तो तुलसीदास जी को ये पता लग गया कि राम और लक्ष्मण इज प्रोटेक्टिंग माई हाउस. वाई? टू सेव माई थिंग्स इनसाइड. हाउ मच पेन आई एम गिविंग देम बिकॉज माई होल्डिंग टू थिंग्स. देयरफॉर सारे सामान को दान दे दिए. Why? I can't make my Ram and Lakshman trouble them to take care of my property. Why should I trouble them? Because of my love for my things. Therefore, let me give up all those things, let them be free. देखिए कितना प्रेम है. So remember, love is that always he thinks how to make the beloved happy. That is the only focus. Here it says, sa na kamayamana nirodha rupatvat, because भक्ति में त्याग है. Because there is a tyagam, त्याग in a bhakti, there is no desire in bhakti, no kama. So, this devotee, whatever he does, यत् करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुषु मदर्पणम में मीनिंग व्हाट, how I can make my Lord happy with this activity. Can this make my Lord happy or not? This is a question to be asked. जो कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ इससे भगवान तृप्ति पाते हैं कि या नहीं, भगवान को कैसा लगेगा, गुरु को कैसा लगेगा, will he be happy or not? That only point. Therefore there is no other desire, other chintan in any work of the devotee. Very beautiful thing. Arjuna asked भगवान कृष्ण, हमेशा आप गोपी 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 कहते रहते हो द्वारका में, द्वारका में भी आपके भक्त हैं, कई भक्त लोग हैं आपके, बट यू ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ गोपीस ओनली. So Bhagavan said, it seems it is because others have a lot of expectations from me, but gopis are those don't expect anything. Whatever they do for myself, including their dressing to make me happy, including their food eating, they make me happy. They are cooking food for them. They think for themselves, no, how to make Krishna happy. Where is Krishna? Who is inside me? In order to make Krishna happy, I must cook food properly. In order to make Krishna happy, I must dress properly. In order to make Krishna happy, I must decorate myself properly. Whatever they do, it is only for Krishna, for myself. Therefore, their devotion is greater. How to make Bhagavan happy? Therefore, they do all things for myself. And in Vrajakul mein, everybody gave something or the other to Bhagavan. They never asked anything from Bhagavan. देने वाला ये है, कुछ मांगते नहीं थे भगवान से. कुछ भी नहीं मांगते थे. इसलिए साधु संतों के पास भी जाने के बाद एक अवधूत ने मुझे बताया कि whenever you go to meet any महात्मा, should not ask anything from them. Should not ask anything from them. नमस्कार किया, आ जाए, मुझे ये दे दो, मुझे वो दे दो, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मांगना है. कुछ मीन्स कुछ भी. There is no desire in that. And again, प्रहलाद जी के चरित्र में, when Bhagavan Krishna, now Vishnu appeared, Narasimha Swami, then asked him, what do you want? प्रहलाद said, हमारे बीच में संबंध सेवक और स्वामी का संबंध है. मैं सेवक हूँ, तुम आप स्वामी हैं. एंड हमारे बीच में और कोई चाह नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं आपके सेवक हूँ, आप मेरे स्वामी हैं, बस इतना ही. ये संबंध ऐसे रहने दीजिए. एंड यू वांट मी टू गिव मी boons, only one boon you give me. What? Let there not be any desire rise in my heart. आप वर देना है तो ऐसा वर दे दो. बट मैं सेवक सचराचर स्वामी. तू तो स्वामी है, मैं सेवक हूं. सो इसमें नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनी अदर बिजनेस. प्रहलाद जी ने किया. सी देन न कामयमाना. एंड विषय वस्तु में भगवान के तो कामना में यू डिजायर लॉर्ड, भक्ति क्या है? डिजायरिंग द लॉर्ड, लव फॉर द लॉर्ड, एंड इट टेक्स यू टुवर्ड्स द लॉर्ड एंड रिलीजेस अस फ्रॉम ऑल अदर वासनास। एक 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 करके सब छूट जाते हैं, एंड वी फील हल्कापन महसूस होता है दिल में, पीस विल एक्सपीरियंस। वाई? देयर इज नो डिजायर, नो डिस्टर्बेंस। थिंक अबाउट इट। I don't know whether you are conscious of your existence or not. When there is no desire, suppose you go to a hotel, 5-6 people are there. You have not made up your mind anything to eat. ये मांगना कुछ भी नहीं है. Just sat there, and everybody else is so disturbed looking at the menu card, and you are so peaceful. And they ask you, what do you want? कुछ भी चलेगा, no problem. Mind is peaceful. And remember others, look at others. What a dialogue, what a argument, what an analysis. So much of disturbance. ये खाओगे, वो खाओगे, ये बनाओ, वो बनाओ. Yeah, observe, a desire is there, how much disturbance is there? There is no disturbance. So therefore, bhakti will take you up to the Lord, and Vishaya Sukham takes you more towards the world. Quite opposite, 180 degrees. The scale, one scale is desires increase and takes you towards Vishaya Vastus. Move in towards bhakti, desires decrease and gives you immense joy and happiness, contentment, and takes you towards Lord. The scale movement. The moment the scale comes down, the desires increases. And if scale move that side, desires are reduced slowly and bhakti is increased. एक ही scale. And why we should not run after worldly objects? There are 4 reasons are there. Kamana hai. Why we should not run? Number 1, objects become old and outdated, therefore they lose ras in time. Same object to experience, रस चला जाता है, बचेगा नहीं कुछ. You get fed up. कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं है. They already tasted. The rus goes away. And second thing is, the power to enjoy objects, in senses, they diminish. As you are getting older and older, object become older, one thing. Second thing is, you cannot enjoy as you used to enjoy. Earlier, digestion was good, you can eat anything. Now you cannot eat anything. Why? The sense organs, they lose their power to enjoy. They diminish in time. Therefore, इंद्रियां भोगते भोगते थक जाते हैं. So they lose rasa in the objects. Number 1, indriyas become weak. Number 2, in you, first is objects, second indriyas. We are going inside, no? Worldly objects, indriyas. Then in you also, because new desires are born, desires also worn away, and new desires are replaced. There is no end for that. Desire is changing. Only desire may be there, objects में रस चला जाता है. And moreover, ego, the enjoyer, cannot remain as enjoyer for all the time. It will get tired and goes to sleep. How long you can enjoy? You get tired, all types of indriya sukham. You get tired and sleep. Therefore, here there is no desire in this devotion. Only desire is what? How to serve Lord. How to make my beloved happy. That is the only way. There is nothing else in this devotion. Therefore it is said, sa na kamayamana nirodha swarupatvat. Now, nirodhastu loka veda vyapara nyasaha. Nirodhastu loka veda vyapara nyasaha. What is nirodha? He says, loka veda vyapara nyasaha. Loka vyapara and Veda means religious activities. Nyasaha sannyas. Here nyasa means samarpanam. Jnana mein nyasa means tyagna, chodna. Here nyasa means what? Bhakti mein samarpanam. Nyaso nama bhagavati samarpanam ityartaha. Here nyasa means not sannyasa. He is a bhakta. So bhakti में समर्पण बुद्धि. Where loka veda vyapareshu. What is nyasa? Another nyasa means, meaning of nyasa is giving up all things, giving back all things to whomever they belong to whosoever they belong to him all the objects are surrendered. सारे वस्तुएं जिसके होती है ना, उन्हीं को समर्पण करना. ये वस्तु, प्रत्येक वस्तु ले लो. न्यास माने जो जिसकी है उसको देना न्यास. आप देखो, एक्चुअली हु इज द पोसेसर ऑफ एवरीथिंग? तो सब चीज भगवान को समर्पण देना न्यास है. समर्पण बुद्धि. लोक व्यवहार, आप जो कुछ भी करते हैं, कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. नारायणाय इति समर्पयामि. ये सब कुछ भगवान के लिए ही है. सो दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ निरोधस्तु लोक व्यापार वेद व्यापार चेष्टा. Vedic loka karma, all those things. Therefore, yat karoshi yadasnase, I already told you, whatever you do, this bhakta surrenders unto Lord. Because सबका अधिष्ठान परमात्मा ही है. सब चीज वहीं से निकलते हैं. Therefore, he sees that and that alone and surrenders everything unto him. Okay. Tasmin ananyata तद्विरोधिषु उदासीनता च तस्मिन् अनन्यता तद्विरोधिषु उदासीनता च। अब देखिए, तस्मिन् इन दैट लॉर्ड अनन्यता, अन्यता मीन्स अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जना पर्युपासते, नो दैट सूत्र। There is no anya Lord, no. Only Paramatma here. I will not take support of anything else. A very great tapasya है कि I don't take support of anything because Paramatma मुझसे अन्य नहीं है, अनन्य है, इसलिए मेरी भक्ति भी अनन्य है, सबका आधार वही है तो अनन्य है। सो परमात्मा ही है। सो देयरफॉर भगवान का बंदी होना निरोध का अर्थ है, उनके अधीन में रहना निरोध हो गया कि नहीं, क्योंकि देयर इज नो अदर थॉट्स इन अस। जैसे प्रभु चाहते हैं वैसे करेंगे, उनकी इच्छा, उनकी इच्छा, उनकी इच्छा। दाई विल बी डन, दाई विल बी डन, दाई विल बी डन, ओ लॉर्ड, नॉट माइन, नॉट माइन, नॉट माइन, नॉट माइन। I only act as per Dharma Shastras, as per the Guru Vakya I do. But what are the results that you are going to give? Everything is your ishvish. Ananyata. Tad virodhishu. Tad virodhishu, those who are not devoted, those who are laukika people, those who are opposite to your thinking. Virodhi bhava. So once you show Virodhi Bhava, then you are making Virodhi successful, is it not? And when you make Virodhi successful, you are forgetting the Lord. Virodhi Bhava आया है माने that time you are not remembering the Lord. Therefore Bhakta says there is no Virodhi for me. विरोधी होगा उदासीनता, इंडिफरेंट, उदासीनता, उदासीनता। तो क्या ये विरोधी भाव इज देयर? थ्री थिंग्स हैपन। नंबर वन, यू लूज योर भजन, योर कंपोज्ड माइंड, योर डिवोशन, योर कीर्तन, योर ध्यान, योर जप, योर रिमेंबरिंग द लॉर्ड, यू लूज इट। व्हाई? वंस द एनिमीज एंटर, you start doing chintan of enemies, chintan of virodhis. Second is what? You lose your time. And मैं बताता हूँ आपको, एक बार विरोधी भाव आ गया हो, to remove that thought from the mind, again to make antakarana peaceful, it will take lot of time. Virodhi will come once and disappear. But to make the mind peaceful, my God, कितना समय लगता है। एक ही बार आपके सामने से गुजर के गया, बस इतना ही। Udasanata is not there for about next 5-6 hours, 8 hours or 24 hours, बिगड़ गया समय पूरा। भजन भूल गए, समय बिगड़ गया। इसीलिए अजात शत्रु युधिष्ठिर शत्रु भाव नहीं रखते थे किसी के प्रति। तो सेकंड वन। एंड थर्ड थिंग इज अपनिंदा मीन्स बैड नेम, पीपुल सेंश्योर यू, बिकॉज यही सीखा क्या आप अपने गुरु से? लोग बोलते रहते, घर घर पे भी सुनाते रहते हैं ना, सपोज अब गॉट गुस्सा, यू गॉट एनिमिटी, बस यही सुन के आए वो वहाँ पे इमीडिएटली बोलने वाले होते हैं, सुनाते रहते हैं कि नहीं? विरोधी भाव रखना तो ठीक है, बट लोग याद दिलाते हैं कि विरोध भाव कैसे रखोगे तुम, निंदा करते हैं। सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल थिंग, देयरफॉर महात्मा लोग कहते हैं कि उदासीनता, बी उदासीन, 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 उदासीन। ठीक है, विरोधी। लेकिन एक बार महात्माओं के साथ यही होता है कि डिसाइड, संत वेंट टू मीराबाई in Vrindavan and she was there. Mirabai went to meet her, that Sant. The Sant told, I don't see women. Virodhi bhav. So she said, I thought there is only one Purusha. ये दूसरा पुरुष कहाँ से आया? Then Sant came out and पैर पड़ा मीराबाई के, I am sorry, एक क्षण के लिए मेरा विरोधी भाव आ गया। सो विरोधी भाव को छोड़ना है, क्योंकि अनन्यता के कारण भगवान ही सर्वत्र है, भगवान ही एक ही है, वो मुझसे भिन्न नहीं है, मेरे साथ ही है, अंतःकरण में ही है, सब उन्हीं का रूप है। तो विरोधी भाव को त्याग दिया। विरोधी है तो दिख रहा है आपको, जो भगवान से द्वेष करने वाले भी हैं आपके सामने, उनके प्रति आप आग्रह मत करो, दुराग्रह बिल्कुल मत करो। क्या करना चाहिए? उपेक्षा कर दो। उपेक्षा माने उदासीन होकर छोड़ देने का है। ये भक्त का लक्षण है कि किसी की निंदा नहीं करते, किसी के तुलना के साथ किसी की निंदा नहीं करते, अपमान नहीं करते, कुछ भी नहीं करते, छोड़ देते हैं सबको। बिकॉज इफ ही ब्रिंग्स विरोधी भाव इन द माइंड, हिज डिवोशन इज लॉस्ट, टाइम इज वेस्टेड, ही गोज अवे फ्रॉम द लॉर्ड। सो देयरफॉर तस्मिन् अनन्यता तद विरोधिषु उदासीनता च। ठीक है, हियर इज एनफ फॉर टुडे। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।